Okay.
Hi, my name is Sabina. We have recently, as a matter of fact last week, installed new windows with Zen Windows. It was a really easy and smooth process. As a matter of fact, we have been thinking about replacing some of these for a few years, but the companies that we looked at and liked were either very expensive or the other companies just didn't have the quality we were looking for. So we did some YouTube research and found a guy who was doing some research on Windows and recommending. And anyway, he recommended on his webpage, he recommended Zen Windows in this area. Then I looked up Zen Windows, looked up their YouTube videos, looked up their products. So my husband and I decided to communicate with them. I filled out the application online, gave the approximate descriptions on the windows. The very next day, we got a price in the email and got in touch with them. Somebody came out, I believe, within the next week, and we were able to agree on a price. We put in 7 windows, I believe, and are very happy with the end product. I was working all of that day when they were putting in the windows. I expected to come home and have to clean, but I came in and everything was spotless. The windows were clean, the carpets were clean, and we can already tell the difference now that the colder days are here, especially here in the big living room. Standing next to the windows, there's quite a bit of a difference than from the builder's grade windows that were in here for years.
Yeah.
So thank you, Zen Windows. We are looking forward to putting in more windows in the next year, and we will talk to you soon.
Oh, well, thank you. Got a question. I noticed this road right here, Christopher, is kind of noisy. Have you noticed a sound difference with the windows?
Yes, when I am upstairs in the office working on something, there is quite a difference as well. And my son could probably vouch, but he's a hard sleeper. One of the windows were replaced in his room. So, but he sleeps pretty good. But the rooms are staying warmer. The last few mornings that I've gone in there, they were warmer.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
And I'm excited about the framing, I believe, and the bottom of the windows. When I open it up, it looks like it's going to be really easy to keep clean.
Mm-hmm.
And we shouldn't have any problems more with water.
No.
Coming
Good.
in.
Good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Huh?